Holy frick, middle of April and we're getting snow out here. Freaking getting snow in the middle of fucking April. Alrighty, well here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, I should just say gentlemen, because there ain't no ladies watching these videos, and if they are, holy frick, I don't want to see them. But anyways, we got all the parts for the Parige. Everybody seems to have a different name or a different story about this frickin' car, about their grandpa or some chick they banged in one or something like that. So, first things first, I got alternator belt, drive belt. I got these little hoses to go on these doohickeys. I got a mechanical fuel pump. I got new sparkulators. I got a new frickin' cap for the top of there. What do we got in here? Oh yeah. That's a frickin' solenoid. Solenoider. Better put all these frickin' boxes on before I break something. What else is this? Regulator. The brand new kinds. Even comes with a bolt. One bolt. Got some Surfirm. 2 frickin' hoses. Radiator. Perfect. We already got some bends in the thing. That's what you want. Okay. There you go. There's a little update, guys. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. I got you guys set up on a frickin' flower pot. Put some parts in the old Parige. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing with that, but we're working on the Parige. We're gonna get her going. So, I hope you're ready for another fucked up ride. We're doing radiator, we're doing alternator, we're doing fuel pump, we're doing sparkulator plugs, we're doing, what else are we doing? We're gonna tune up the carb. We're gonna we've already done the oil, transmission fluid. We're gonna top up that coolant. Come on, baby. Zacs fucked up garage. We got people looking at us. It's Zacs fucked up garage, guys. Come on. Okay, well I got the new rad out. I'm about to throw it in. But I'll tell you guys right now, this frickin' new rad is not half as fucking sturdy. Like, feel the weight on this cocksucker. We're gonna have to reuse those lines. Okay. Try and set you guys up here. Shit, boys, I can't get you lined up here. Oh yeah, we'll just use the old DeWalt battery camera stand. Look at that, boys. Don't sell that one at Best Buy. It's called being fucking handy. Do they sell being handy at Best Buy? No, they don't sell being handy at Best Buy. Okay. But they do sell being stupid because there's a bunch of idiots that work there. Okay. I think that's perfect. Okay, boys. Let's see if I can't frig this up getting it in. Better get my bolts ready. Yeah, we're not scraggling for bolts. Look at this. Alright. Fuck, we already got our first hold up, boys. Fucking belt is in the way. Back out she comes. Prep your workspace, kid. Come on. What are you, a fucking rookie on a fucked up garage? Okay, round 2. So the trick is to just hit it on everything on its way in. Okay. Well, that's just great. This one's too big. Doesn't even fit. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can fully see this, but the rad's not fully lining up. But we're gonna make her work. She's just off by a cunt hair there. And she's just off by a cunt hair there. Looks like this one's bigger than the old one. So we're gonna try to we're gonna weld on some brackets if we can't do it. So I didn't film that, but we're changing this voltage regulator in the meantime. We're gonna just frickin' bolt on a new one. Pretty frickin' easy. Can't screw that up. Or can we? Find out. So we're snowing in the middle of fucking April. And we're putting on a new voltage regulator. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. You want to just drop the screw you just took out right onto the ground. So you want to fucking hook up that ground cable first. Or do it last, I really don't give a fuck.
Dinner will be ready in an hour.
Okay.
Because I've only just put the chicken in. So yeah, an hour or so.
Okay. Hear that, boys? We got chicken in an hour. Well, we pulled the old dead camera as we were filming, but got this chuchulator in. Voltage regulator. Went right on. So, that should be that.